Well, look who it is. Mr. Penguin. Dull and boring. You can only swim in the water. I can fly in the grand open air.
Oh yeah? Well, at least I can survive in cold climates.
Well, at least I can heat up a room with all my bright, festive colors.
Black and white is nostalgic.
Oh, whatever. At least I can sing beautifully. Oh,
Call that singing? At least I can dance.
Wait a second.
What?
I have an idea.
What?
You have so many great talents. I have so many great talents. If we combined our forces, we could be the most dynamic duo that ever was.
I like it.
Go team!